Hello, everybody. Today, the second storm. We had a storm yesterday too, and we're going to see if we may have a lot of snow.
Okay, let's go.
Now we're near the co-op. The road is not big here. Not trying to fit two cars.
Anyone see a lot of snow in the sky?
It snow and it rain. Snow again.
And the road is very, very slippery. So we need to be very, very careful.
Not have children playing in the snow. Even I'm young, if like this, I play in the snow.
A lot of fun. But if it not rain, maybe some children come out. But it raining and snowing, so that's why.
Maybe because they have cell phone and iPad.
Before me too, when the children, when it rain, anytime when it rain, I need to run outside to take a bath. And now, so some children, they always they have iPhone, iPad to play game. So that's why. Because now that time is the 4D.
Time for that.
4D. It's not the same before. We don't have internet. We have nothing to play. So that's why we have to go outside.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Other man there, he go outside.
Only him. Oh, the road here not bad. They already clear. Someone to clear snow here. They say hi. Take my video.
Is it hello to you?
No. Oh, he have to put outside and not do this thing.
We could have tree.
And that guy lead the snow too. Hi,
He's
guy.
got a hat. Oh, he does have a hat. Yeah. And watching TV probably.
He have the hat very cute. Only see the eye and the mouth.
I mean, I see the snow on his colors. I think it's some
Not
right here.
there.
Not him.
Not him. Oh yeah.
Probably his boyfriend.
Some truck to clear the snow in
Clear the sidewalk.
in the sidewalk.
More snow in Rexton.
Oh yeah.
Feel. Because I know it's around his house.
Really?
Pretty clear in the snow there.
The beep now.
Far.
The beep, I know when you do near there, he's scared. So the beep. Beep.
Is it him?
Yeah. He don't look. I stepped there to clear the snow. And we do beep, he don't look us. Oh. When you go here, I say, oh, so happy. Somebody go here to buy some food. Open the window, say, baby. Okay, take him video.
To be bad.
And beep again. Open the window, say, baby. Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah, my stepdad to
But
clear
he
snow.
won't hear.
Eat.
You won't hear if we do that.
Let's do it. Say,
No.
baby.
You don't clear. You don't hear. You don't even look. Huh? I think his machine don't work good. And he probably maybe get angry or something.
Oh no. Sorry, baby. Maybe he said, oh my god, what happened to that car? Why did you beep a lot?
For sale, yeah.
So again? Let's go here to buy some piece of delight.
Don't bring the paper.
No. Oh, Rosie's still open?
No.
No. Yeah, that store not open today. The one here before we see there, now they here. You fast, huh?
The one we see it before here now.
We all need to go around to the town.
On the boat.
Oh, that boat. Beautiful. A pizza delight.
Well,
Rika. Now we go there, order
we
go
have
fast.
nobody.
I had to go up with not much people to the cashier look around. The one have a shock hand. She see me, she's so happy. She, ah, yeah, eat me. I'm joking.
They don't clear the road here much.
They're so busy. Some that drop everybody he take a right.
Like here, the big snow in front of us.
No.
I think the car there is stuck.
Oh no. Scared. Look like please. Nobody in there.
A dog.
Oh no. Maybe they lost a dog or something. Too much snow, everyone's so busy.
The guys go down until.
4 cents. Now we the way to they have time to go together.
I don't know.
One play and other one what they do. And
The
they
other
put,
one I think only for the hospital.
yeah, they put the light ding ding ding. They don't do anything. Tomorrow the weather good.
So it's snow and rain.
Slow down. Foot lane here. Have only a few car. We are almost home.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Wait for him to go.
Yeah. We are home now. Okay. Bye bye guys.
Bye. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye.